Hey, Namaskar. This is Smitch security camera, static 1080p. I got this from Flipkart. Let's see what's around the box. Here it's mentioned some of the features. It supports full HD video and also has a night vision. It has motion detection feature, two-way communication, and it supports SD card up to 64 GB. And here are some more features like what's on the box, system requirements, product specifications. You can pause the video anytime and go through it. The MRP mentioned on the box is rupees 2,999. Okay, let's unbox this. So here we got the user guide, quick start guide. Here are some technical parameters, installation, and other instructions. Let's keep this aside. This is the camera. Here we have the camera. It has got an adjustable head. It moves only front and back, not the other way around. It can move up to 180 degree. Here we have got the hinge, but not the other way around. Yeah, it also moves the other way around. Oh, that's great. On the back we have a speaker holes for speaker and mic, and here we have a reset button. Hope you can see it. Yes, right there. And at the bottom, option also for the wall mounting. Now on the right side, here we have a slot for micro SD card. Yeah, here at the bottom you have a slot for micro USB, which is used to power this device on. This is about the device, and let's see how it looks when we wall mount it. We can wall mount and also turn it to fix this way. Can also turn this upside down as well. Here we have got a power adapter. Yes, this is the power adapter, travel charger, whose output is 5 volt 1 ampere. That's a 5 watt adapter. USB. And at the back we have a USB port. So we have got a pair of screws. And yes, this is a power cable. Yes, this is a micro USB cable. Yeah, that's it. Now I will show you how to insert the memory card. I have got a 64 GB memory card. Here we have got the input for power supply. Let's connect this. Now I'll turn on the device. The red light turns on. I'll show you how to set up. Just open the Smitch Secure app. Task for the internet connection. Once you are connected, this window pops up. Continue with your Google account. Now click on this plus button and choose the camera. Here it's static. Yeah, see if the red color indicator is blinking as shown. Yeah, it's blinking. Let's press on continue. Ask for GPS location. Turn it on. Enter the password. Show the QR code to the camera. Now the device is successfully connected. Please give the name for the device. Let's give it as camera 2 and finish it. Let's update the software. I will turn on the camera. Let's click on the play button. Let's see what else is there on the camera settings. We have a capture button, speaker. In device settings, here are some of the options like motion detection, camera microphone, camera LED indicator, video orientation, night vision, it's automatic. Let's change the quality to HD. Time settings, and let's record this video in SD card. Yes, the device is updated successfully. That's it. Now I will turn off the light. Night vision turns on automatically. Turn on the lights back. Yeah, the day vision turns on automatically. I have also done a quick review and unboxing of this Smitch camera, which has the rotating head. The link for this device is given in the description. You can check it out. Yeah, some more details will be posted in the description. Please check it out. And thanks for watching.